Ono Block, modular building blocks from OSB. Ono Block is a creative construction solution designed to make building interior structures faster and easier. The blocks are made from oriented strand board and include plastic connectors that allow them to fit together like large building blocks. These blocks are especially popular among people who enjoy renovating or redeveloping spaces because they allow users to quickly construct structures such as kitchen islands, interior walls, or decorative partitions. After assembly, the blocks can be painted or covered with drywall to give them a polished appearance that blends seamlessly into the interior design. Another advantage of the Ono block system is its hollow interior. This empty space can be used to run electrical cables, plumbing pipes, or other utilities without needing to drill additional holes in the structure. The designers also suggest improving sound absorption by covering the blocks with a double layer of mastic or filling the hollow cavities with sand. However, these blocks are intended only for indoor use, which means they are best suited for interior renovation projects rather than outdoor construction. Jex Fiber Blow, efficient wood insulation system. Jex Fiber Blow is a specialized system designed for companies that construct roofs, walls, and other structural elements in modern homes. Its main function is to distribute blown-in wood fiber insulation efficiently during the construction process. The system is modular and scalable, allowing builders to adjust its size and capacity depending on the project. One of its key benefits is cost efficiency, as it uses about 38 kilograms of insulation material per cubic meter, making it a practical solution for large construction projects. Speed is another major advantage of this system. A single unit can deliver up to 200 kilograms of insulation per hour, significantly reducing installation time compared to traditional insulation methods. The equipment also uses specially designed nozzles that ensure insulation material fills even complex shapes and tight spaces inside walls or roofs. The insulation itself is made from natural wood fibers, particularly spruce and fir wood, making it an environmentally friendly option compared to synthetic insulation materials. Building with Click, screwless timber wall panels. Click building panels is an innovative construction system that allows houses to be assembled quickly with minimal tools and expertise. The panels are made from cross-laminated timber, a strong and durable material widely used in modern sustainable construction. What makes the Click system unique is its screwless connection design. Instead of traditional fasteners, the panels interlock with specially designed joints that hold them securely in place. This design provides two major advantages. First, the panels can be attached to each other more securely than many traditional fastening systems. Second, they are extremely easy to install, meaning even people without professional construction experience can assemble them. According to the developers, 2 people can install about 100 square meters of panels in just 24 hours, using only simple tools like a hammer and a ladder. Because of this efficiency, using the Click system can reduce construction costs by around 20% compared with traditional building methods, making it both economical and environmentally friendly. Dite Specialists Anti-Slip Decking Boards. Dite Specialists produces specially designed decking boards that focus on safety and durability. Their boards are tested using the PTV system, where they achieved a score of 71, indicating extremely strong slip resistance. For homeowners, this means the boards remain safe to walk on even when they are dirty or wet. This feature is particularly important for outdoor areas such as terraces, balconies, and especially stairs, where slipping accidents are more likely to occur. To achieve this effect, the company embeds narrow strips made from polyurethane resin combined with bauxite aggregate into the wooden boards. These strips provide a rough, anti-slip surface while maintaining the natural appearance of wood. Even in damp conditions, the strips continue to provide strong grip without affecting the board's aesthetic appeal. A standard softwood board measuring 2,000 x 125 mm typically costs around $20, making it a relatively affordable solution for improving safety in outdoor wooden structures. Marley Timber Shingles. Natural cedar roofing. Marley timber shingles are decorative and durable roofing materials designed to give buildings a natural and timeless appearance. Made from cedar wood, these shingles gradually change color as they age, creating a unique visual effect that tells the story of the building over time. This natural weathering process adds character and charm to roofs and facades without requiring additional finishing treatments. These shingles perform best on roofs with a slope of at least 14 degrees, ensuring proper water drainage and long-term durability. One of their major advantages is their longevity, as cedar shingles can last up to 50 years without requiring significant maintenance. In regions with high humidity or a large number of wood-eating insects, special impregnated versions are available to increase resistance against pests and moisture. Typically, stainless steel nails are used for installation. A batch of Marley timber shingles costs about $258 and covers approximately 2-3 square meters of roof area.
Modular S Smart Pool Alarm System. Modular S is considered by its creators to be one of the most advanced swimming pool alarm systems available today. Unlike traditional pool alarms that only activate when someone actually falls into the water, this system takes a much more proactive approach. It uses artificial intelligence algorithms combined with a 140-degree camera to monitor not only the pool itself but also the surrounding area. This means the system can detect potential dangers before an accident even occurs, providing an extra layer of safety for homes with pools. The AI technology allows Modular S to recognize different types of movement and objects. It can distinguish between a person and a dog, identify inanimate objects, and ignore harmless disturbances like water ripples. When the system detects something suspicious, it immediately triggers 3 simultaneous alerts. First, it sends notifications to preset phone numbers. Second, it activates a 110 decibel siren near the pool. Third, it triggers an 85 decibel alarm inside the house, ensuring that residents are quickly aware of the situation. The device is designed to operate efficiently with minimal maintenance. It is powered by a 9,000 mAh battery that is continuously recharged using a 6-watt solar panel, making it energy efficient and reliable even during extended use. With its combination of smart monitoring and automatic alerts, Modular S provides homeowners with a powerful safety system for around $199. Pit Boss Red Rock 3 Series Gas Smoker. Pit Boss is a well-known manufacturer of barbecues, grills, smokers, and outdoor cooking accessories. Their engineering team focuses on incorporating useful features even into their more affordable products. One example is the Red Rock 3 Series Gas Smoker, a versatile cooking device designed for people who enjoy smoked meats and slow cooking but want a user-friendly setup. This smoker includes a professional-grade temperature indicator that helps users maintain precise control during cooking. The adjustable heat range goes from 30°C to 160°C, allowing it to handle a wide variety of foods, from delicate fish to slow smoked ribs. Many of its internal components are porcelain-coated, which improves durability and makes cleaning easier after long cooking sessions. More advanced Pit Boss models include additional upgrades such as digital control panels, improved insulation, and easy grease removal systems. These enhancements allow the smoker to reach temperatures of up to 107 degrees while maintaining consistent heat. With a starting price of around $330, the Red Rock 3 series offers a practical and accessible option for anyone interested in outdoor smoking and barbecue cooking. Aquaria Water from Air System. Aquaria is an innovative device designed to produce clean drinking water directly from the air. The technology takes advantage of the fact that the atmosphere naturally contains moisture, even in relatively dry environments. Aquaria extracts this moisture and processes it through several stages, including purification, sanitation, and mineralization, ultimately producing safe and drinkable water for everyday household needs. The system can serve either as a primary water source or as a backup supply for homes that want additional security in case of water shortages. The standard Aquaria model is capable of generating around 90 liters of water per day, which is enough for basic household tasks such as drinking, cooking, and washing. For larger households or commercial needs, a high-capacity version can produce up to 1,000 liters per day. Operating costs depend mainly on electricity consumption, as the system uses approximately 330 watts per liter of produced water. To improve efficiency and reduce operating expenses, the system can also be paired with solar panels. The base model of Aquaria is priced at about $3,499, making it an advanced but practical solution for regions where water access is limited or unreliable. Recycle It Smart Kitchen Waste System. Recycle It is an innovative waste management system designed to keep kitchens cleaner and free from unpleasant odors. In most homes, food scraps, packaging, and other waste are collected in small bins and only taken out when the bag is full. This often leads to bad smells and attracts insects. Recycle It simplifies the process by allowing homeowners to send their kitchen waste directly to the main outdoor garbage bin, without storing it inside the kitchen for long periods. The system works through a simple but clever design that uses hydraulic doors and small garbage chutes. When waste is dropped into the system, it travels through the chute straight to the main bin. Ventilation is handled using the Venturi effect, which helps remove odors and maintain airflow. At the same time, sealed doors prevent flies, insects, and other pests from entering the system, keeping the kitchen environment hygienic. Recycle. It is particularly suitable for multi-story houses, where carrying trash downstairs can be inconvenient. By connecting different floors to the same disposal system, it makes waste management faster and easier for residents. With its practical design and convenience, the system is offered at a price of about $899, making it an appealing solution for modern homes. Biohome 3D printed wooden house. In today's world, 3D printers can use many different materials such as plastic, concrete, and steel. Researchers in the United States decided to experiment with wood-based materials as well. A joint team combined wood fibers and resins sourced from the local timber industry and used them to print a house called Biohome 3D. The house was printed in 4 separate modules and then assembled into a complete structure. It measures about 57 square meters and includes all essential living spaces such as a kitchen, bedroom, living room, and bathroom. One of the biggest advantages of this house is sustainability. When the building reaches the end of its life cycle, the materials can be completely recycled. Biohome 3D is considered the world's first 3D printed house made primarily from bio-based materials, making it a more environmentally friendly and affordable alternative to conventional homes. Sanfoot, ultra-thin wooden veneer wallpaper. A Japanese company called Hakusen once set an industry record by slicing veneer as thin as 0.2 millimeters. Building on that achievement, they later developed an innovative product called Sanfoot, a beautifully designed wooden veneer wallpaper. This wallpaper has a patented 5-layer structure, including a layer of aluminum foil, which gives it excellent durability. Because of this design, the wallpaper is fire-resistant and flexible enough to bend at a 90-degree angle without damage. Despite having the appearance of real wood panels, it is only about 0.3 millimeters thick, meaning it does not significantly reduce room space. It can be applied like ordinary wallpaper and works on many different surfaces. Today, Sanfoot is used to decorate not only private homes but also hotels, concert halls, and public buildings, giving interiors a stylish natural wood appearance. Wood flexible wooden membrane. Compared to countries with a long tradition in woodworking, the French workshop ARA, founded in 2009, is relatively young. However, it has quickly gained attention for its creative approach to wood design. One of its most impressive innovations is Wood, a flexible veneered membrane that can change shape and return to its original form. Designers can use this material to create 3-dimensional structures on walls. For example, wood panels can form small pockets that hold books, smartphones, or other items, transforming unused wall space into functional storage. The material is so flexible that it can also be used to create fashion accessories, including handbags and decorative boxes. Wood shows how traditional wood materials can be reimagined in modern design to create both practical and artistic solutions. Woodcrete, wood and cement composite material. Woodcrete is a construction material that was originally invented in the 1930s, yet it continues to be widely used and improved today. The material is made using a mixture of Portland cement, sawdust, and wood chips, along with chemical additives such as sodium silicate. This combination creates a lightweight yet practical building material. One of its biggest advantages is its low weight. A cubic meter of woodcrete weighs about half as much as the same volume of brick, making transportation and construction easier. It is also easy to cut, which simplifies installation and modification during building projects. Additionally, the material's porous structure makes it easier to apply plaster on the surface. However, it does have some disadvantages, including permeability to strong wind. Despite this limitation, woodcrete continues to be used in both commercial and residential construction, proving its long-lasting value. Nahrhals technology glue-free wooden houses. In Austria, experts developed an innovative construction method known as Nahrhals technology. This technique involves building vertical timber houses without the use of glue, insulation, or chemical treatments. The system offers several practical benefits for construction projects. Each element in the building kit is relatively lightweight, with the heaviest piece weighing only about 15 kilograms, making it ideal for construction sites where heavy machinery cannot be used. Another major advantage is the high load capacity of the vertical wall elements, which is 8 times stronger than horizontal ones. The structure is also extremely stable, so builders do not need additional formwork systems during the finishing process. The first Neuhauls house was built in the Austrian Alps in 2000, and today the technology is successfully used in countries such as Germany, France, and Italy. Defense adhesive membrane, protection for wooden structures. During transportation and construction, wooden components of a building must be protected from environmental damage. The defense adhesive membrane is designed specifically for this purpose. It is a transparent, self-adhesive protective film that allows workers to easily write or mark measurements directly on its surface. The membrane is waterproof, protecting wooden materials from rain and moisture, while still allowing water vapor to pass through, which prevents condensation buildup. Another advantage is its lightweight design, weighing about 200 grams per square meter, making it easy to handle during installation. According to the manufacturer, the advanced formula provides protection for up to 12 weeks. This product is sold by Rotterblaze, a company operating in more than 70 countries and known for producing tools, equipment, fasteners, and other supplies for woodworking projects. Bamboo Lab H2D, high-tech 3D printing mini factory. The Bamboo Lab H2D is far more than a typical 3D printer. It functions like a compact manufacturing unit capable of producing not just prototypes, but fully finished products. From custom outfits and bike helmets to trendy sneakers, this machine opens the door to endless creative and commercial possibilities. It features 2 servo systems, 4 computer vision cameras, and 36 sensors working together through an intelligent algorithm that ensures precise and reliable printing. On top of that, it also supports laser cutting and engraving, giving creators the ability to design, customize, and manufacture a wide variety of items. For anyone dreaming of turning a garage into a high-tech mini workshop or launching a small product brand, the Bamboo Lab H2D offers a powerful start. The printer is priced at $205. Tufting gun, start your own custom rug business. The tufting gun is a powerful yet easy to use tool designed for creating custom rugs quickly and efficiently. It works by punching through a rug backing and pulling yarn through the material, producing up to 40 stitches per second. This process forms the tufts that later become the soft pile of a finished rug. Because the gun maintains a consistent tuft height, it allows creators to produce professional-looking designs with smooth texture and even density. With the global carpet and rug market already worth over $55 billion and continuing to grow, a small garage rug workshop could become a profitable venture. The tufting gun itself costs only $158, making it one of the most affordable ways to enter the custom home decor market. Boulanmas Fireball Machine, Precision Jewelry Bead Maker. The Boulanmas Fireball Machine is designed for jewelers who want to produce perfectly shaped metal beads with professional precision. This 5-axis machine is especially effective for working with gold beads between 2 and 8 millimeters, allowing it to create smooth, uniform spheres used in high-end jewelry. Despite its advanced capabilities, the controls are straightforward, making it accessible even for small workshops or independent craftsmen. The machine is built for detailed work and consistent results, which is crucial in jewelry production, where accuracy and finish matter the most. Considering that the value of gold has increased dramatically over the decades, investing in a specialized tool like the Boulanmas Fireball could help turn a garage jewelry setup into a profitable business.